Okay, so me and my cousins just had like this little burping fit at the table, and I just watched this burping video in here, another girl, and so it made me want to burp. You should do it.
No.
Okay, so I don't know. You guys are probably gonna think this is kind of gross because it's a girl doing it, but okay. Oh, that was bad. Okay, hold on. That was bad too. Jeez. Okay, that was a good one. That makes up for all those really bad ones I just did. That was kind of gross.
Yeah.
Okay. I can't go. I can't do it. No, why couldn't you do that on the camera? Ew! You're gross. Okay, I'm done for now.